Deep in a forest filled with towering trees and sparkling streams, there lived a small sparrow named Lila. She was known for her cheerful songs that echoed through the woods, lifting the spirits of all creatures. But one stormy night, a fierce gust of wind threw her against a branch, breaking her wing. Unable to fly, Lila fell to the forest floor, her heart heavy with fear. "How will I survive?" she chirped weakly. The other birds, seeing her plight, shook their heads sadly. "Poor Lila," they said. "A bird without wings is no bird at all." For days, Lila lay near a stream, her broken wing dragging painfully. She watched ants march in neat rows, carrying bits of leaves, and squirrels scurrying to gather nuts. Feeling hopeless, she cried out, "I'm useless now. What's a bird without flight?" But one morning, a kind tortoise named Taro stopped by. Seeing her sorrow, he said, "Lila, you still have your song and your spirit. Use what you have left." Inspired, Lila began to sing again, her voice weak but sweet. The ants paused to listen, and the squirrels dropped their nuts to gather closer. Lila's songs drew more creatures each day, rabbits, deer, even shy foxes. They brought her berries and seeds, keeping her fed. But Lila wanted more than charity. She wanted to move again. Observing the ants, she practiced hopping, using her good wing for balance. She mimicked their steady pace, moving farther each day. One evening, as she sang by the stream, a wise owl landed beside her. "Your wing may heal, but your courage is already soaring," he said. He taught her to stretch her wing gently, guiding her through small exercises. Months passed, and Lila's wing grew stronger, though it never fully healed. She could flutter short distances and hop with grace. Her songs became a beacon, drawing creatures to a clearing where they shared food and stories, safe from predators who feared the crowd. Lila's flaw had created a community. When the other birds asked how she overcame her injury, she chirped, "I used what I had, my voice, my will, and the help of friends, to build a new way to live." Moral: your limitations are only as big as you let them be. Use what you have to create a new path.